Hello, my name is Jacob Morgan, and at the time of conducting my research, I was an undergraduate senior at Ohio University, working in the Williams Lab investigating and analyzing the parental care behavior of cavity nesting birds. I have since graduated from the university with a bachelor's degree in wildlife and conservation biology. Today, I am presenting my research on how temperature, precipitation, and wind speed affect the behavioral trade-offs for eastern bluebird parents that are raising offspring. As evidence for climate change becomes more prominent, we also see an increase in the variation of weather conditions, with weather events becoming more intense and harsher than previously recorded. With each new year, we tend to see record-breaking temperatures and natural disasters that act as extreme environmental stressors on wildlife. These harsher weather events are forcing avian parents to make trade-offs between different nesting behaviors in order to support themselves and their offspring more successfully. During the 2018 and 2019 nesting seasons, we monitored 52 different nests across 4 sites in Athens County in southeastern Ohio. We recorded each nest for 90 minutes every other morning between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. from the point where nestlings hatched to the point where they fledged or the nest failed. We then collected nest attendance and provisioning data from the nest videos that we recorded, focusing on nestling days 1 through nestling day 7. We gathered our temperature, precipitation, and wind speed data from the monthly climate archives of the National Weather Service using Zanesville and Parkersburg locations. In the results section, Figure 1 shows that female provisioning rate increases as average wind speed increases. High wind speeds often increase the amount of energy that foraging birds, such as chestnut crown babblers and ovenbirds, must exert during their provisioning trips. As a response, some species like dickcissels will actually decrease the distances they travel when wind speeds increase in order to reduce the energy costs they face during their provisioning trips. We believe that female eastern bluebirds may be decreasing their provisioning distances and making more frequent provisioning trips in response to higher wind speeds so that they may also reduce their energy consumptions. In Figure 2, we see that the proportion of male nest attendance decreases as precipitation increases. In many cases, environmental disturbances, like precipitation, will increase the amount of stress hormones that are released in species such as tree swallows. It can also be said that rainfall often reduces male survival rate in species such as northern wheat ears. We believe that male eastern bluebirds may be avoiding specific nesting behaviors, such as nest attendance, when precipitation increases, so that they may maximize their survival rates. In Figure 3, we see that the proportion of female nest attendance decreases as minimum temperatures increase. This was much expected as newly hatched offspring are unable to thermoregulate on their own. So when minimum temperatures get colder, their thermoregulatory demands increase. As a result, we believe that female eastern bluebirds are compensating for this increase in demand by also increasing their nest attendance to help their offspring regulate their body temperatures more efficiently. Overall, it is important to understand how breeding birds react to different weather conditions, as many avian species are referred to as environmental or bioindicators. These bioindicators often let us know how entire ecosystems will react under specific and severe environmental pressures. In being able to analyze and understand these behavioral observations, future researchers can make predictions about how population dynamics will change in response to current and future climate shifts. For any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me via my email, which is listed under my contact information in the poster. Thank you for listening to my talk and have a great day.